30. Okay, 30 will read the first slide. And
Get up, Jackie. Wing, wing, rang the clock. But Jackie did not get up. Wake up, Jackie, time for school yet, Mom. And yet Jackie did not get up. Beep, beep, horn the cock, the horn on the bus.
okay, thank you so much, 30. However,
Sharing. Yes, 30.
It make our life meaningful and bright.
Okay, meaningful and bright. So sharing. Yes, 30.
I feel sad when my dad goes back to work after his vacation.
Oh, yan, no?
Yeah.
When nung umalis, no, nung umalis na to work yung kanyang daddy. Yun naman ang feel ni 30. Saying goodbye, no? Saying goodbye to someone you love.
Lunch 30.
Sabi-sabi.
Okay, maraming salamat. Sabi-sabi.
okay, Kinan. Yes, 30.
Family means group of people who love and care each other.
Yes po. Okay, thank you, 30. Next, 30.
Nag-vacuum po ako, watering the plants and cleaning my study table.
Yes. Okay, thank you, 30. Maganda yon yung mga pinaggagalawan nyo, kung saan kayo nag-study, naglilinis din dapat kayo doon. 30.
We watch Netflix and eat together with mommy.
About 30. Yes, 30.
I felt happy because I already done my first quarter test.
Yes. Congratulations, 30. But for a job well done, you conquered it. Okay, thank you so much po. Of the paragraph, we call it. Okay. Yes, 30.
Topic sentence, the top bun.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much, 30.
Note, what yesterday, so school went out early.
Okay, thank you so much, 30.